Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Upskill with Dharmendra. So friend, in yesterday's video I have given you the introduction of UiPath software and how this UiPath is currently being used in various IT industry to automate manual tasks. So friend, today I will give you the introduction on UiPath Agentic Automation. So this is a latest updates from UiPath and many industries and IT are implementing this new technology. So if you learn this, you will get a better opportunity. Okay. So first, how to complete this certification of this UiPath Agentic. So when you will log in with this academy.uipath, and here you will see certification. Okay. When you will come to certification, scroll down. Here is the latest one is mentioned Agentic Automation Associates. And if you will see, yeah. So when you will click on this exam description document, so there is a kind of a PDF document will be downloaded. One thing. Second thing, we need to, so before our courses and all are done, we once our courses and and our training are done, then you can take a free online practice test so that you will be confident that now I knows the question and answer. Then you should go for the associate learning exams, and this is kind of a paid exam. So before going to the exam, make sure you have all the trainings. Okay. So let me open that file which downloaded. Yes, this one. So this is a kind of a document where in detail it is explained before doing the certification what needs to, we should be prepared for. So if you will see exam topic, so one by one I will let you know. These are the introduction, target audience, products, exam topics are these. So when we will go to detail, introduction, UiPath certificate, professional agentic automation associate certification validates functional skill for collaborating with AI agent in process automation. So in process automation, UiPath certified professional agentic automation associate certificates validates foundation skill. So this certificate validates that you have foundation skill for collaborating with AI agent in process automation. So if you will complete this certification, that is a kind of certified from UiPath that you are now a foundational, you have a foundational skill for collaborating AI agent and in process automation. So that's why I told you when you will complete this exam and you will get certificate, so at least you are now eligible and you can show that in your resume or in your company. You can show that I have done the certification, and you will get some what I can say extra highlights that you can do some projects on the agents. Okay. Target audience, these are all these are all kind of job role that they can for which this agentic automation is. So main is new technology, AI and agentic AI enthusiast, non-technical and technical roles ranging from project manager, business analyst, automation citizen developer, automation developer. So these are the role. Minimum qualified candidates. Minimum qualified candidates is an individual with the following: completed recommended training at UiPath Academy, technical proficient and possess the knowledge and a skill to work independently. Okay. What are the products? Successful candidates are expected to know how to use following products like UiPath Studio, Studio Web, UiPath Maestro, Autopilot for everyone. So combination of these three things, we can develop agentic automation. Okay. Now coming to this exam domains and exam section. Yeah, so Agentic Automation Associate exam contains the following exam section. So these are the contents that you need to prepare before going for exam. What are the contents? Agentic AI and agentic automation concepts, right? Agentic discovery, agent blueprint design, context grounding, escalations, agentic evaluations, prompt engineering, UiPath platform components and integration, agentic orchestration with UiPath Maestro, autopilot for everyone. These are the topics or content you need to be prepared before going for exam. Next thing, exam topics. Yes, so all these topics are explained in detail. You can download from yourself once you will log into UiPath Academy. Okay, and what are the other things? So these are the recommended training that we should complete. Hand-on experience. So we should have hand-on experience of prompting experience, means giving the command prompt. Basic agent building experience we should have. Working with large language model, LLM. So this is very important. We should have experience of working with LLM. Recommended exam preparation. So these are the practice tests that I have already given you that on the UiPath Academy we have practice test link. Okay. So yeah. So once you will be your practice test exam 90 minutes we have 70%. Okay, and it have the exam fee $150. Okay, and minimum passing score is 70%. Okay, friend. So let me go through these in detail exam topics so that you will have more clear understanding. So first topic is agentic AI and agentic automation concept. So we should have knowledge of defining ML, machine language, LLMs, and generative AI. Define agents and differentiate between generative AI and agentic AI. Differentiate between agents and robots. So we should have this all kind of knowledge. Identify the challenges of traditional automation done by done with only robots and humans. So these are the traditional automation which we done using robots and automation and humans. Articulate the benefits of agentic automation, intelligent decision making, adaptability, goal oriented execution, multitask coordination. Okay, explain the concept of agentic orchestration and synergy between robots, agents, and humans. So this is the first topic, agentic AI and agentic automation concepts. Second topic, agentic discovery. Identify and assess the agentic automation potential of business processes by considering the roles and the knowledge context, the technology landscape, and the as is state. Okay, design agent stories through the five characteristic: trigger, instructions, context, human in loop, and the tool with which it integrates ADD. Prioritize the agentic automation opportunity by considering feasibility and impact. Third topic is agent blueprint design. Map business process steps to agent task. Identify agent goal and evaluation criteria. Okay. Define and differentiate between system and user prompts. Map context sources and grounding strategy. Select the tools appropriate for agent objectives. So these are the skill we should know. Like if we have a process to automate, so we should have all these skill. Accordingly, we will implement these skill in automation and we will build the agentic automation. Next thing is context grounding. So describe and use context grounding. Define context grounding sources like storage bucket, integration service, configuration option. Okay. Next topic is escalations. So explain the concept of human in loop, MITL, and it's important in balancing agentic automation with human oversight. Design the topic for raising escalations. Agentic evolutions. Define evolutions and their role in ensuring agent reliability. Differentiate between deterministic and model graded evaluations. Next thing, prompt engineering. Craft zero shot prompts for simple tasks. Design few short structured prompts. Include context, instruction, output format, and constraints. Apply clarity, specificity, and conciseness for best practices. So these are all skill needed to develop an agentic automation. And before you will go for the exam, these all should be completed. Next topic, UiPath platform components and integration. Create agent tool in UiPath Studio Web. Design input output schema for tools. Create connections using integration service. Map connected action into agent prompts. Agentic orchestrations with UiPath Maestro. Use BPMN to model business process and map tasks to robots, agents, and human. Configure service tasks to involve agents with starts and wait for agents. Configure service tasks to involve automation workflow from orchestrator. Okay, friend. Next is autopilot for everyone. Describes when autopilot for everyone should be used. So when this autopilot should be used in our process. Okay. And these are the skills that needed: environments, application, tools. So minimum qualified candidate should have be comfortably working with the following environmental application and tools: a general familiarity with SDLC, software development lifecycle, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, browser like Edge, Chrome. So these are all basic things that you should have knowledge before this one developing as any agentic automation. Web page elements, example HTML, Action Center, UiPath Orchestrator, UiPath Studio. So and UiPath Studio Web, UiPath Maestro. Okay. Okay, friends. I hope this video was is helpful for you, and this had given you some insight how you can complete training on UiPath Agentic Automation. And this is a friend very latest I can say updates from UiPath, which will be which is currently being used for many industries, and we must have understanding of this and better to get certification of this. Okay, friend. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel and keeps learning. Okay, take care. Bye bye.